Ordinal numbers and fractions.
Hi, I'm preparing breakfast. Let's make pizza. Mom taught me the instructions step by step, or in ordinal numbers.
Ordinal numbers describe the numerical position of an object, or in this case, a step. Example: first, second, third.
First step, put the tomato sauce on the pizza dough. Second step, sprinkle cheese on top. Third step, put sliced ham. Fourth step, add mushroom. Fifth step, add onions. Sixth step, sprinkle some blended seasoning. Seventh step, bake for 10 to 15 minutes. Smells yummy.
Now, let's learn fractions. Fractions simply mean parts of a whole. So, 1/4 means 1 out of 4. 2/5 means 2 out of 5. 2/3 means 2 out of 3.
This pizza is one whole. Let's divide this into 4 equal parts while learning about fractions. Now let's give one slice to Daddy. How many do we have left? We have 3/4 left, or 3 out of 4. Let's give one slice to Mommy.
Thank you.
Welcome. How many do we have left? We have 2/4 or 2 out of 4. This slice is for baby. Now there's only one slice, or 1/4. And that slice is for me. Yummy! Thank you for learning fractions with me.